Top 7 stylish Barbie-inspired furniture pieces for a chic home. Playing with Barbie dolls as a kid always brings back great memories. The toys were brightly colored, which invited me to imagine fun new worlds. Now I see Barbie's signature style influencing home decor, and I love it. In this list, I'll highlight 7 Barbie-style furniture picks. They turn any room into a fun dream house. Get ready to see how playful and elegant these items can be. Number 1. The rise of Barbiecore. The heart of Barbiecore is celebrating shades of pink and all things girly. By adding these colors and soft touches to your space, you can make it feel like Barbie's world. Use pink furniture and delicate decor. This will turn your place into a girly haven or a real-life Barbie dream home. Number 2. Pretty in pink velvet. Get into the Barbie spirit by using pink velvet pillowcases in your home. They make any room feel glamorous. These pillow covers are a bold change from your usual ones, and they bring life to your space. They're not just pretty, their softness makes any room feel elegant. Number 3. Barbie-inspired glassware. Bring Barbie's iconic style into your home with these glassware pieces. The Dragon Glassware X Barbie Martini glasses shine with Barbie's favorite pink and magenta colors. They make you feel like a real Barbie with every drink. Number 4. Bedroom bliss with satin sheets. Have a tranquil sleep like Barbie in these pink satin sheets. They keep your hair from getting tangled at night. Plus, they make your bedroom feel glamorous and sophisticated. This creates a nostalgic atmosphere similar to Barbie's world. Number 5. Barbie-inspired furniture. Get Barbie's iconic style in your home with these fun and girly furniture pieces. You can choose from the seashell barrel chair to the Flaviana modern desk. They combine old memories with new trends, making your place feel like a dream home. Number 6. Playful decor accents. Make your space fun with decor that feels like Barbie's world. A wavy mirror spreads whimsy, while a pink shag rug adds softness and color. These pieces mix past trends with modern flair, making your house a Barbie paradise. Number 7. Barbie Dreamhouse Candle. Lighting this candle fills your room with a beautiful scent. Suddenly, you're in Barbie's dream house, surrounded by its bright, playful vibe. The mix of flowers and citrus captures Barbie's style. Use it when you have friends over or just to relax in your room. This candle adds a bit of vintage Barbie charm and warm memories to any space. For more information, visit www.pouted.com.